In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video using Flashloop. To get started, open the Flashloop app or go to the Flashloop website in your browser, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to create something new. Click Create or New Project to begin. At this stage, you'll choose the type of project you want to make. If you want Flashloop to generate a video from a written description, select Text to Video. If you already have an image and want to animate it, choose Image to Video instead. Picking the right starting option here will make the rest of the setup much smoother. Next, enter your prompt. This is where you describe the video you want the AI to create. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. Try to include the subject, the setting, the overall visual style, the lighting, any camera movement, and the mood you want the video to have. For example, you might describe a golden retriever running along a beach during sunset with cinematic lighting, realistic detail, slow motion, gentle waves, warm colors, and a high-quality finish. A prompt like that gives the AI much more direction than a short, vague sentence. After that, choose an AI model if Flashloop gives you multiple model options. Different models may be better for different visual styles. Some are more realistic, while others may be stronger for animation or more artistic-looking results. If you're unsure, choose the one that best matches the look you want to achieve. Now customize the video settings. Depending on what Flashloop makes available, you may be able to adjust the video duration, aspect ratio, resolution, motion intensity, and camera movement. This is important because these settings affect both the final look and where the video will work best. For example, a vertical aspect ratio like 9:16 is ideal for short-form mobile platforms, while 16:9 is better for standard widescreen video. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Flashloop will begin processing your request and creating the video. The time this takes can vary based on the model you selected and the settings you chose, so give it a moment to finish. When the video is ready, preview the result carefully, watch the full clip and see whether it matches what you had in mind. If it doesn't, go back, refine your prompt, or adjust your settings and generate another version. Finally, when you're happy with the result, click Download to save the video. From there, you can share it on your preferred platform, including TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts. And that's how to create a video using Flashloop.